Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Avon Saturn, Cici and Sisi 15 and 25. This was requested by Fighty Crayons. I'm starting off with Anchor and Heart Iron Anchor as my base coat today. And here we go with Avon. And this one's Saturn. The labels are so tiny you can't see them. But it's a beautiful like burnt orange hollow. I'm saying, these are like really old. I couldn't even tell you how long ago I bought these. Several years ago though. I had to have the whole collection. And they're all amazing. They've got great formulas. So if you ever see any of these in a D-stash, grab them. They're good. Real good. It's got a great formula on it. Hi Woody, how you doing? Gotta get this mess cleaned up before I can continue. And here we go with our second coat of Saturn. I figured this would be the perfect background for some owl nails. And that is what Fighty Crayons wanted. She wanted to see me use this one owl image of the owl on a limb. So we're going to do that today. I am topping this one off with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so I can do that stamping. I'm going to use 3 different owl images because I really do love owls and, 3 is good. There's that swatch photo of a singles on its own. And this is Cici and Sisi 15. There's one cute little owl. And then Cici and Sisi 25. I'm going to use this owl, but this one on the branch is the one that Fighty Crayons wanted to see. So we're going to use that, and Braves Diva on the black, now known as Bases Loaded Lacquer. And this is Maniology's Gold Rush. I've got out my monocle stamper and my Maniology scraper. But first we need to get this plate cleaned off. Get that blue film gone and clean it off with some acetone real quick. Give it a wipe down. I'm going to wipe down the other one just for good measure. And we're going to jump right on into it. I'm going to be double stamping. I'm going to stamp it in gold. And I'm getting a little heavy-handed, so I had to re-swipe. But then after I get the gold on there, I'm going to go back over it with black. Just kind of give it some dimension. I don't know. You guys know when I've got time or I'm in the mood, I like to do the double stamping. And really, to be honest, I should have been using one of my square cube stampers. They seem to work best for double stamping. Just kind of easier to line things up. I'm going to clean that stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. I'm going to try to just get the owl and not the leaves above it. My nails are short right now, so I knew that I wasn't going to be able to get much of this on my nail. We're kind of pushing the envelope here today. But it's okay if you've got a little overhang, or if you don't get all of an image. Just make do. Do what you can. You can shrink images. But when I'm double stamping, I have trouble with the shrinking. I don't do so well. Because I might not shrink them to the same size, I love this little owl. He's so smart looking. I just love it. He's just, they love me some. And y'all might get to see some more owl nails. It might become an owl nail kind of year for me. And then here we're going with the black. Y'all know how I do with butterflies in the summer. Might go all owl crazy over the winter. We'll see. Fall, winter. We do have owls here, and we love to sit outside and just listen to them talk to each other. It's just so cool. So nice. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up some of this excess. That stuff just wears me out. I can't stand for it to be a mess. That tape does a good job. Very cute. And now for the one that was requested. This one that's on the little branch. And I really wish I had more real estate because that is such a cool image. We're going to get a little bit of it on there, but not much. Gonna get the owl on there. There he is. So cute. Loving it. Going in with that black. Pick it up. There we go. Try to line this up. I got a little bit, I'm going to get this a little bit of excess off. Got some stuff on here I don't really want. Alrighty, here we go. Try to line it up. And slide it on there. Roll it on there. Alrighty. So after some cleanup, we're going to get some smudge-free top coat on these. Look how glossy, I love it. And once this top coat is dry, I'm going to seal it all off with a fast dry, thick, glossy top coat. Hi, Woody. He's back again. And today I'm going to use the Moonshine Manny Let's Go top coat. I just had it sitting out on the desk, thought I'd go ahead and use it. And I really did love how this turned out, but I would love to hear from you. Tell me what you think about this manicure, if you're digging it or not. I promise you're not hurting my feelings if it's not your thing. Here's my swatch photo. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.